Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add a password in any PDF file without using third-party app in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly, what you need to do is just open the files application and now just click on browse and select the folder. Say in my case it's on my iPhone. So here I have a PDF file as you can see below. So in order to add a password in this PDF file, what you need to do is just tap and hold, and now you will see one option here written quick look, right? Just tap on it. Now it will open your respective PDF file, right? So just near to the PDF there is one down arrow on the above. Just tap on it. Now you can see here one option written lock PDF, right? So just tap on it. Now it will ask you to set a password, so you can give a password, whichever password you want to set. Say I'll just give a password, and just verify your password again. Just retype your same password, and once you have set the password, just click on done, and once again click on done. Now you can see here a log icon is being showing up right now on this PDF file, right? So let us try to open this. Just tap and hold, and let us try to open with a quick look again. So you can see here now it's asking a password. So let us put the password, and just click on go. Now you can see here our respective PDF file is viewable right now. So using this simple tricks, you can add a password in any PDF file without using third-party app in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.